Have you found yourself drifting aimlessly through life, unsure of your true calling or what path will lead to a sense of purpose? If so, you're not alone. Many struggle with a lack of direction and clarity about their future. In this revealing video, we delve into the 15 most common reasons people feel lost, unfulfilled, and stagnant. Fail to uncover these roadblocks and you may remain trapped in a cycle of confusion and regret. So hit subscribe to stay in the know. Ready? Let's get into it. Number 1. The deflating achievement. You finally reached a major goal, but the satisfaction was fleeting. Some become consumed by fear of losing what they've attained, stripping away the joy. Others immediately crave the next challenge, left feeling aimless when one isn't lined up. Take the case of lottery winners. Many return to unhappy baselines within a few years despite their newfound riches. Number 2. Toxic relationships. Holding you back. Admitting a loved one is hindering your growth is painful, whether their impact is overt or subtle. An overly critical parent, an unsupportive partner, or friends who discourage your ambitions can erode self-belief. In extreme cases, feeling unsafe or stifled at home deprives you of the mental space to ponder your path forward. Countless individuals have had to distance themselves from toxic influences to reclaim their sense of direction. Number 3. Financial constraints. Lacking the funds to pursue your interests and explore options can make you feel hopelessly stuck, confined within your limited circumstances. Even small freedoms like enjoying a coffee out become unattainable luxuries when money is extremely tight. Breaking free may require a temporary second job or side hustle to alleviate the financial anxiety clouding your vision. Number 4. Unresolved trauma. Major life upheavals, whether recent or years past, can linger like opened wounds if not adequately processed. Divorce, death of a loved one, job loss. The emotional turmoil is often neglected amidst the practical demands of coping. Talking through such pivotal events with confidence or counselors provides the release required to move forward with clarity. Number 5. Choice paralysis. While an abundance of possibilities sounds idyllic, the paradox of choice can induce crippling indecision. Presented with infinite options, people often struggle to commit, perpetually craving greener pastures. Take millennials who chronically job hop, perpetually convinced there's something better if they just keep looking. Number 6. Fear of failure. You can vividly picture your lofty ambitions, but terror of potential embarrassment or wasted effort breeds intense hesitation. The risk of investing heavily, only to come up empty-handed with judgmental eyes upon you seems too daunting to bear. However, history's most accomplished figures all had to overcome this fear to achieve their dreams. Number 7. Overscheduling. Ambitiously piling too much on your plate eventually becomes unsustainable, reducing you to a flustered, reactive state of barely keeping up. Rather than savoring successes, you're frantically rushing to check the next box. Tech titans like Elon Musk have famously navigated periods of unhealthy overcommitment before course-correcting. Number 8. Societal pressures. From career paths to relationship timelines, societal narratives instill expectations that can promote directionless anxiety if unfulfilled. Some agonize over not wanting the standard life script. Others simply struggle with the abundance of choice and lack of prescribed roles. Mindfully tuning out external pressures opens the clarity to determine your own authentic path. Number 9. Lack of routine. Without consistent schedules and rituals to build healthy habits around, structureless days bleed together unproductively. Aimlessness and procrastination breed as the inertia of disorder reigns. Conversely, peak performers across fields swear by morning routines and environmental cues that trigger a purposeful flow state. Number 10. Global unrest. It's difficult to muster motivation for personal ambitions when bombarded with a constant stream of distressing world events. Economic volatility, political tumult, and news of widespread suffering can spark a sense of fatalistic nihilism. Periodic digital detoxes from the onslaught of negativity provide the mental breathing room to focus your energies locally. Number 11. Deflated dreams. When life's realities fall brutally short of youthful aspirations and idealized visions, the disillusionment can make you question your purpose altogether. The grief of failed expectations is profound. However, remaining bitter and jaded prevents starting anew. One must mourn and reorient towards a revised version of fulfillment. Many find greater satisfaction by recalibrating their ambitions. Number 12. Passion deficiency. Without interests that ignite your curiosity and channel your energies, life can feel like a meaningless drift between obligatory activities. Discovering compelling pursuits forges a renewed sense of drive, as the all-consuming obsessions of artists, innovators, and athletes can attest. Simple introspection through personality tests or trying new hobbies can reignite that vital inner spark. Number 13, lack of mentorship. Having an inspirational mentor to impart wisdom, share experiences, and keep you accountable can mean the difference between languishing and persisting through obstacles. The most successful figures often openly credit key mentors for their breakthroughs, from Oprah Winfrey's gratitude for Maya Angelou to Mark Zuckerberg's invocation of Steve Jobs. Number 14, lingering regrets. Unresolved blunders and poor decisions from the past can weigh like shackles, sapping courage and self-worth required for venturing forth on new paths. Crucially, you must make peace with your mistakes through reflection or counseling. Otherwise, the psychic toll of remorse will stymie personal growth indefinitely, as many who remain bitter over early setbacks can attest. Number 15, absence of support system. Even with passion and a clear vision, pursuing your dreams without a supporting cast of allies feels inordinately daunting and lonely. Their feedback, guidance, and encouragement provides a vital sounding board and bolsters resilience against the inevitable challenges that otherwise feel insurmountable when braving it alone. Every visionary surrounds themselves with dedicated teams to persist through hardship. If unlocking your potential and charting an authentic life course aligned with your values resonates with you, then keep exploring our extensive library of videos. The reasons discussed here are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to overcoming hurdles to realizing your dreams. From cultivating the proper mindset to assembling the right team, a world of insights awaits those committed to embarking on a transformative journey of self-discovery.